Hey students, this is Rahul and welcome to another video lesson. This is video number 17 and today we are going to discuss rational numbers. Now in the previous video we discussed about exponents and variables, and with this we had ended our class 7th curriculum. So we have discussed almost every chapter which are very important for the exam perspective. So we have tried to cover 2 or 3 questions from each chapter, so that you can have an idea what kind of questions you can expect in your examination. So from today onwards we are going to start with our class 8 curriculum, and of course we will put on some foundation based questions which will be important for not only class 8 but also for the students of class 9th also. So please go through this video, and it's very important for you to have an idea of what kind of questions you can expect in the examination. So without further ado, let us start on with the questions right away. Okay, so here's the first question. Write any five rational numbers between -2/5 and 1/2. So in this case, all we need to do is we need to find out five such rational numbers whose values are in between -2/5 and -1 and 1/2. So if we look at these two fractions, -2/5 and 1/2, so automatically we can get an idea that -2/5 is less than that of -2/5 is less than that of 1/2, right? So I can say something like this. That we are expecting five rational numbers. So let the five rational numbers be A, B, C, D and E, right? So we can write, so what we can write here is -2/5, okay? -2/5 is less than A, then B, then C, then D, then E, less than all of these, right? And these are also less than half. Okay, so can you understand this statement? -2/5 is less than A, B, C, D, E, and all of these are less than half. So that is the meaning that this particular five rational numbers which we are to find out is in between this particular rational numbers. Now -2/5 can also be written as, now see, what we are going to do here is we are going to make the denominators of -2/5 and 1/2 exactly the same. Now for that, what we need to do is we need to multiply the other denominator with -2/5. So the other denominator is 2 here, so we need to multiply 2 with 5 and also with -2. And similarly, also to make the denominator of 1/2 exactly same, we need to multiply 5 with 2 and also with 1. So like this, if we do so, this -2/5 can be written as, now see what we can write here. So -2/5 can be written as, here we can write 5 into this 2, 5 into 2, and here we can write -2 into 2. Okay, so this is what we can write here. Okay, let us increase this particular thing. Okay, right. Okay, so we can write now, so -2 into 2 and 5 into 2, so automatically we get the answer that we will get will be -4/10, right? The answer we will get is -4/10. Now, so again what we can do here, again half can be written as, now when we are talking about half, so what we can do here is, now see, this half can be written as, again we will do the same thing. So here we will write 2 into 5, and here we will write 1 into 5. Okay, so let us increase this. Okay, yep. So okay, so this will be equals to 5 by 10. Okay, so we have got two numbers. One is minus 4 by 10 and the other one is 5 by 10. Okay, so now we need to find 5 rational numbers between minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10, okay, which are respectively, now see, minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10, so we can input as many rational numbers like from minus 3 onwards till 4. So we can write there can be minus 3 by 10, right? Minus 3 by 10 can be 1. Okay, then it can be minus 2 by 10. Okay, then it will be minus 1 by 10. Okay, then this would be 1 by 10 again. Okay, and finally we can take 2 by 10. Okay, so these are the 5 rational numbers. We can in fact write 3 by 10, 4 by 10, so these are also in the options, right? So these are the 5 rational numbers that we need to find out. So that is the answer to your very first question. I hope that is clear to you guys. Let us now quickly move on to the next question. Alright, so this is your new question. Mr. X went shopping with a certain amount of money. He spent rupees 10 whole 3 by 4 on buying a pen, rupees 25 whole 3 by 4 in food. He then gave the remaining 16 whole 1 by 2 to his friend. So how much money was with him initially? Now one thing is pretty much clear from this question, that the summation of these 3 contributions, rupees 10 whole 3 by 4, then rupees 25 whole 3 by 4, and finally rupees 16 whole 1 by 2, this sum up to be the total amount that he was carrying in the beginning. So I can write initial amount. So you don't need to write so here, just write initial amount. Initial amount with Mr. X should be equals to rupees. So you need to put a bracket first. So we are starting from 10 whole 3 by 4. So 10 whole 3 by 4 plus 25 whole again 3 by 4, 25 whole three by 4 plus 16 whole 1 by 2, 16 whole 1 by 2, 16 whole 1 by 2. Okay, so let us close the bracket now. So this is the total amount, that is the initial amount for Mr. X. So we can equate this one. So it will be equal to rupees, let us again put a bracket now, 10 whole 3 by 4, that will be equals to 43 by 4, 43 by 4. Okay, then plus 25 whole 3 by 4, that will be equals to 103 by 4, 103 by 4, and 16 whole 1 by 2, that should be equals to 16 into 2, that is 32, 33 by 2. Okay, again that will be equal to rupees. Now see, here we are having 43 by 4, 103 by 4, which are having the same denominator, but 33 by 2 is having a different denominator. So let us now make all the denominators the same. So 43 by 4 will be as usual, followed by 103 by 4, and finally this 33 by 2 can be written as we can multiply 2 on both the numerator and denominator so that the denominator becomes 4. So that should be equals to 66 by 4. Okay, so this is the total one, and finally we are getting our final amount. So that should be rupees. So 43 plus 103 plus 66. So what should be the answer? 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carries 2. Carries 2. So something around, let's say, that 33, 3, 6. So it should be something around, let's say, what's this? 6, 3. That's 6. Okay. 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, carry 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11, carry 1 again. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. So 216 by 4. That should be the answer to this one. Pardon me if I'm wrong. And that should be, again, we are able to cut it now. So that should be 5 and 4. Okay, so 54 rupees was the total amount that he was holding in the beginning, is it? 4, 5, 20, 116. Yes, 4 4 is 16, right? So 54 rupees is the total amount that he was having in the beginning initially. So this is the answer to your second question. So I hope these two questions are pretty much clear to you. So these are the kind of questions which you can expect. These questions are not difficult if you know how to do the process, and so like this you can do this particular works. So anyways, this is the end of today's video. I hope the questions are clear to you. So as I've said, now we are beginning our class 8 curriculum, and the foundation courses of course are important for class 8 and 9. So I hope students who are watching this video will get benefited from this particular thing. So again, we will meet on the next video. Until then, it's bye bye.